the City Council. Mr. Speaker, first of all, I rise up to second the proposal made by Honorable Carol Alarukuma that the house should be built for the wives of the late, Mr. Speaker, sir. And that one, we want to send it straight away to His Excellency Yoweri Museveni Kagota of the country. So, our Member of Parliament, Honorable Gilbert Olana, they should take it in the floor of Parliament that they request the President should do something to this family. Mr. Speaker, sir, I also have a proposal.
Please proceed.
Mr. Speaker, for actually to remember Ogulu City Council, to remember our beloved father, I want to propose that since Gulu City Council also always gets scholarship from Gulu University, at least 5 every year, I want to propose this council should also give 2 scholarships for this family also to remember. So these 2 children from this family, they go and study either in Gulu University or in any school where Gulu University always gave 5 scholarships every year. I want to propose. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you, the Honorable Bakene Daniel Boyka. He said he is commonly known as Boyka. Your proposals have been taken.
Information, Mr. Speaker.
Information, the Honorable Achan Susan.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker.